Welcome, English language learners, to an exciting episode of our podcast dedicated to exploring the fascinating world of artificial organs. Today's episode is tailor-made for students like you who are on a journey to master the English language while delving into captivating topics. Get ready to expand your vocabulary, sharpen your listening skills, and deepen your understanding of complex scientific concepts, all while immersing yourself in the dynamic realm of biomedical engineering and regenerative medicine. Throughout this episode, we'll provide engaging explanations and clear definitions of key terms related to artificial organs, ensuring that you not only grasp the scientific principles, but also build your English vocabulary in the process. From dissecting the intricacies of artificial hearts to unraveling the mysteries behind synthetic kidneys, we'll guide you step by step through the language and concepts essential for comprehending this cutting-edge field. But that's not all. As you embark on this linguistic adventure, we'll also present practical language learning tips and strategies to help you incorporate new vocabulary into your everyday conversations and written communication. Whether it's through role plays set in a medical context, interactive exercises to reinforce your understanding of medical terminology, or guided discussions about the ethical implications of artificial organ technology, you'll have plenty of opportunities to practice your English language skills in a meaningful and engaging way. So, whether you're a beginner eager to expand your vocabulary or an advanced learner looking to refine your language proficiency, this episode is designed to meet you where you are on your language learning journey. Join us as we embark on an educational odyssey filled with discovery, exploration, and the joy of learning English through the lens of artificial organs. Get ready to be inspired, challenged, and empowered as we unlock the secrets of language and science together. In this episode, we embark on an intriguing journey into the realm of artificial organs, a realm where science fiction meets cutting-edge innovation. Our exploration delves into the multifaceted landscape of biomedical engineering and regenerative medicine, where scientists and researchers strive to replicate and even surpass the functions of natural organs. Throughout our discussion, we'll uncover the intricate mechanisms behind the creation of artificial hearts, kidneys, lungs, and more, shedding light on the remarkable technologies that drive these advancements forward. Alongside our exploration of scientific breakthroughs, we'll navigate the language and terminology essential to understanding this complex field, offering invaluable insights for English language learners eager to expand their vocabulary and linguistic skills. Moreover, we'll contemplate the profound ethical considerations that accompany the development and use of artificial organs, prompting thoughtful reflection on the impact of these innovations on individuals and society as a whole. By this episode's conclusion, listeners will not only have gained a deeper appreciation for the marvels of artificial organ technology, but also fortified their English language proficiency through engaging and informative discourse. Get ready to embark on a voyage of discovery where language and science converge in a captivating exploration of artificial organs and their transformative potential. Artificial organs, also known as bioartificial organs or organoids, are synthetic or engineered substitutes of natural organs in the human body. These organs are designed to replicate the structure and function of natural counterparts, offering life-saving solutions for patients with organ failure or dysfunction. The development of artificial organs represents a monumental achievement in the fields of biomedical engineering, regenerative medicine, and tissue engineering. Researchers and scientists have made significant strides in creating bioartificial organs using a variety of approaches, including 3D bioprinting, stem cell technology, and biomaterials engineering. These advancements have led to the creation of artificial kidneys, hearts, lungs, livers, and many more. each tailored to address specific medical needs and challenges. The significance of artificial organs in modern medicine cannot be overstated, as they offer hope to millions of patients suffering from organ failure or chronic diseases. These truly innovative solutions not only extend and improve the quality of life for patients, but also alleviate the burden on organ transplant waiting lists and reduce the risks associated with traditional organ transplantation. As such, artificial organs represent a promising frontier in healthcare, with the potential to revolutionize treatment paradigms and redefine the future of medicine. Artificial organs encompass a wide range of biomedical devices designed to replace or assist damaged or failing organs in the human body. Some of the most common types of artificial organs include artificial hearts, kidneys, lungs, and livers, each serving a specific function and addressing different medical needs. For example, an artificial heart, known as a ventricular assistant device, or total artificial heart, is a mechanical pump that mimics the functions of the natural heart. It is typically used as a bridge to heart transplantation, or as a long-term solution for patients with end-stage heart failure. The artificial heart pumps blood throughout the body, providing oxygen and nutrients to vital organs and tissues. An artificial kidney, also known as a hemodialysis machine, is a medical device that filters waste products and excess fluids from blood. It is used to treat patients with kidney failure or chronic kidney disease by performing the functions of a healthy kidney. The artificial kidney uses a dialysis membrane to remove toxins and maintain electrolyte balance in the blood. An artificial lung, or extracorporeal membrane oxygenation machine, is a device that provides oxygenation and removes carbon dioxide from the blood. It is used to support patients with severe respiratory failure or acute respiratory distress syndrome by temporarily replacing the function of the lungs. An artificial lung works by circulating blood outside the body through a membrane oxygenator, where oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange occurs. An artificial liver is a bioartificial device designed to perform some of the functions of the natural liver, such as detoxification, metabolism, and protein synthesis. It is being developed as a treatment option for patients with acute liver failure or chronic liver disease, offering a bridge to liver transplantation or supporting liver regeneration. The artificial liver may consist of hapatocytes, that is to say liver cells, cultured on a scaffold or encapsulated within a biocompatible matrix, allowing for metabolic activity and toxin removal. In understanding the realm of artificial organs and medical technology, it is essential to grasp key English vocabulary that encompasses various aspects of this field. Here are some terms explained. A prosthesis refers to an artificial device or appliance that replaces a missing body part, such as a limb, tooth, eye, or internal organ. Prostheses are designed to restore function, improve appearance, or enhance mobility for individuals with limb loss or congenital disabilities. An implant is a medical device or material that is surgically placed within the body to support or replace a natural structure. Implants may include artificial joints, dental implants, breast implants, or cardiovascular stents, among others, and are typically made from biocompatible materials like titanium or silicone. Biocompatible refers to materials or substances that are compatible with living tissues and do not cause adverse reactions or toxicity when implanted or used in the body. Biocompatible materials are essential for the development of medical implants, prostheses, and artificial organs to ensure compatibility and minimize the risk of rejection or inflammation. Tissue engineering is a multidisciplinary field that combines principles of engineering, biology, and materials science to create biological substitutes that can repair, replace, or regenerate damaged or diseased tissues and organs. Tissue-engineered constructs often involve seeding cells into biodegradable scaffolds and providing the necessary biochemical and mechanical cues to promote tissue growth and organization. A transplant is a surgical procedure in which a healthy organ or tissue is transferred from one individual, known as the donor, to another individual, known as the recipient, to replace a diseased or malfunctioning organ. Organ transplants may include procedures such as heart, kidney, liver, lung, and pancreas transplantation, and are often performed to improve or extend the recipient's life expectancy and quality of life. By familiarizing oneself with these key terms and concepts, learners can enhance their understanding of artificial organs and medical terminology, enabling them to engage more effectively with discussions, texts, and resources related to this specialized field. In discussing artificial organs and medical terminology, it's essential to familiarize ourselves with key vocabulary. Firstly, as indicated earlier, prosthesis refers to artificial limbs or body parts, like a prosthetic limb for amputees. Pronounce it as prosthesis. Next, implant, indicating a surgically inserted artificial device, such as a dental implant to replace a missing tooth. Pronounce it as implant. Then, biocompatible, describing materials compatible with the body's tissues, ensuring minimal rejection risks. Pronounce it as biocompatible. Following that, tissue engineering, a field creating biological substitutes for damaged tissues or organs, often using stem cells. Pronounce it as tissue engineering. Lastly, transplant, denoting the surgical transfer of an organ or tissue from a donor to a recipient, such as a heart transplant. Pronounce it as transplant. Familiarizing oneself with these terms and their usage aids in understanding discussions on artificial organs and medical advancements, enhancing English language proficiency and comprehension within the medical field. In this segment, we'll immerse ourselves in scenarios and role plays within the realm of artificial organ technology, providing a dynamic platform for listeners to hone their English language skills. Picture this. You're a medical professional discussing the latest advancements in artificial hearts with a patient's family, navigating the intricacies of medical terminology and conveying complex concepts with clarity and empathy. Or imagine yourself in a simulated consultation, guiding a patient through the process of receiving a biocompatible kidney implant, addressing their concerns, and explaining the potential benefits and risks in clear, reassuring language. Perhaps you're in a role-play scenario as a researcher, presenting groundbreaking tissue engineering techniques to colleagues at a conference, articulating the nuance of your work, and the fielding questions with confidence and precision. These immersive experiences offer listeners the opportunity to engage with authentic language in real-world contexts, enhancing their ability to communicate effectively in English while delving into the fascinating world of artificial organ technology. Here we'll take a brief moment to consider scenarios and example dialogues that mirror real-life situations in healthcare settings, equipping listeners with language skills needed to navigate discussions about treatment options, medical procedures, and surgical concerns in English. Picture yourself in a consultation room, conversing with a doctor about potential treatment plans for a chronic condition, weighing the pros and cons of different medications or therapies, and articulating your preferences and concerns with clarity and confidence. Alternatively, imagine playing the role of a healthcare provider, explaining the complex medical procedure or to a patient in simple, understandable terms, ensuring they have a clear understanding of what to expect and addressing any anxieties or uncertainties they may have. Additionally, we'll explore scenarios where patients express apprehensions about upcoming surgeries, providing sample dialogues that empower them to communicate their fears and uncertainties openly and effectively with their healthcare team, fostering a sense of trust and collaboration in the decision-making process. Through these interactive role plays and dialogues, listeners will gain invaluable experience in navigating healthcare conversations in English, bolstering their language proficiency while enhancing their ability to engage meaningfully with healthcare professionals and advocate for their own well-being. In examining the utilization of artificial organs across various countries or regions, it becomes evident that cultural disparities significantly shape medical practices, healthcare systems, and attitudes towards technology and innovation. For instance, in technologically advanced nations like the United States, artificial organ technology is often readily accessible and integrated into mainstream healthcare, reflecting a culture of embracing cutting-edge medical advancements. Conversely, in some developing countries, access to artificial organs may be limited due to socioeconomic factors or inadequate healthcare infrastructure, highlighting disparities in healthcare delivery and resource allocation. Moreover, cultural attitudes towards healthcare and medical interventions play a pivotal role in the acceptance and utilization of artificial organs. In countries with strong traditions of holistic medicine or religious beliefs that oppose certain medical interventions, the adoption of artificial organs may face resistance or skepticism. On the contrary, societies that prioritize individual autonomy and quality of life may exhibit higher acceptance rates for artificial organ transplantation. Despite these differences, there are also commonalities observed across cultures, such as the universal desire to improve health outcomes and enhance quality of life through medical interventions. Additionally, the global interconnectedness facilitated by advancements in communication and transportation has led to the exchange of medical knowledge and practices, contributing to a convergence in attitudes towards artificial organ technology. Therefore, while cultural nuances undoubtedly influence the use of artificial organs, there exists a shared goal of leveraging technology and innovation to address healthcare challenges and improve patient outcomes on a global scale. Understanding cultural nuances is paramount for enhancing language learning and communication skills, especially in diverse medical settings where effective communication is crucial for patient care. In the medical field, cultural competence encompasses not only language proficiency, but also an understanding of patients' cultural beliefs, values, and practices. By acknowledging and respecting cultural differences, healthcare professionals can build trust, rapport, and mutual understanding with patients from diverse backgrounds. For instance, in a multicultural healthcare setting, healthcare providers must be sensitive to cultural norms regarding communication styles, interpersonal space, and decision-making processes. Additionally, language learners can benefit from exposure to diverse cultural contexts, as it allows them to recognize subtle linguistic nuances and idiomatic expressions specific to different cultural groups. Furthermore, understanding cultural nuances enables healthcare professionals to navigate sensitive topics such as end-of-life care, reproductive health, and mental health with greater empathy and effectiveness. By incorporating cultural sensitivity into language learning and communication training, healthcare professionals can bridge linguistic and cultural barriers, fostering inclusive and patient-centered care. Overall, gaining insights into cultural nuances not only enriches language learning experiences, but also enhances the quality of communication and healthcare delivery in diverse medical settings. For healthcare professionals aiming to enhance their medical English proficiency and master specialized terminology, a plethora of valuable resources are available to facilitate language learning and skill development. Firstly, medical dictionaries serve as indispensable tools for expanding vocabulary and grasping nuanced medical terms. Online platforms like Merriam-Webster Medical Dictionary and Oxford Medical Dictionary offer comprehensive databases of medical terminology, providing definitions, pronunciations, and contextual usage examples. Additionally, online courses tailored specifically to medical English offer structured learning modules that cover a wide range of topics, including patient communication, medical writing, and terminology mastery. Websites such as Coursera, Udemy, and edX host a variety of medical English courses designed to accommodate learners of all proficiency levels. Furthermore, healthcare simulation apps such as Prognosis, Your Diagnosis and Touch Surgery provide interactive scenarios and case studies that simulate real-life medical situations, allowing learners to practice language skills in context. These apps offer immersive learning experiences, enabling users to enhance their medical English proficiency while honing clinical decision-making skills. By leveraging these language learning resources, healthcare professionals can effectively enhance their communication abilities, thereby improving patient care and fostering professional growth in diverse medical settings. To effectively leverage language learning resources in the context of discussing artificial organs and medical technology, learners can employ several strategic approaches to enhance their language proficiency. Firstly, it's crucial to establish clear learning objectives and identify specific language skills or areas of vocabulary that require improvement. By setting measurable goals, learners can tailor their use of resources to address their individual learning needs effectively. Secondly, actively engage with chosen resources by incorporating them into daily language practice routines. For instance, learners can dedicate regular study sessions to review medical dictionaries and online courses, focusing on relevant terminology related to artificial organs and medical terminology. Additionally, learners can supplement their studies by actively listening to podcasts, watching videos, or reading articles on these topics to reinforce vocabulary and language comprehension skills in context. Moreover, practice speaking and writing about artificial organs and medical technology by participating in role plays, discussions, or writing exercises. Utilize language exchange platforms or join study groups to interact with peers and receive feedback on language use. Lastly, maintain consistency and perseverance in language learning efforts, integrating language practice into everyday activities and seeking opportunities to apply newfound knowledge in real-life situations. By adopting these strategies and actively engaging with language learning resources, learners can effectively enhance their language proficiency in the context of discussing artificial organs and medical technology, ultimately advancing their communication skills and professional development in the healthcare field. In this episode, we have ventured into the depths of the fascinating world of artificial organs and explored their significance in both medical science and language learning. We began by providing background information on artificial organs, highlighting their purpose in replacing or assisting damaged or failing organs within the human body. From artificial hearts to kidneys and lungs, these remarkable technological advancements have revolutionized healthcare, offering hope to patients facing organ failure. We also introduced key English vocabulary related to artificial organs and medical terminology, providing example sentences and pronunciation tips to aid listeners in understanding and using these terms effectively. Furthermore, we offered scenarios and role plays set in the context of artificial organ technology, allowing listeners to practice their English language skills in realistic situations. Additionally, we compared the use of artificial organs in different countries or regions, highlighting cultural differences and similarities in medical practices, healthcare systems, and attitudes towards technology and innovation. By understanding these cultural nuances, learners can enhance their language learning and communication skills in diverse medical settings. Finally, we recommended language learning resources focused on medical English and terminology, along with tips on how to effectively use these resources to enhance language proficiency. Overall, this episode emphasized the relevance of artificial organs to learning English, showcasing how language proficiency can be cultivated through the exploration of cutting-edge medical technologies and the understanding of cultural contexts within the healthcare domain. As we conclude this episode, I want to really encourage our listeners to continue exploring the fascinating topic of artificial organs and medical technology, and to keep practicing their English language skills in real-life situations. Engaging in discussions about medical innovation and healthcare not only deepens your understanding of these important topics, but also provides valuable opportunities to improve your English communication abilities. Whether you're discussing the latest advancements in artificial organ technology with your colleagues or debating healthcare policies and practices with friends, each conversation presents a chance to expand your vocabulary, refine your pronunciation, and enhance your overall language proficiency. Remember to actively seek out opportunities to engage in English language discussions, whether online or in person. And don't be afraid to ask questions or express your opinions. By continuously immersing yourself in English language environments and actively participating in conversations about medical innovation and healthcare, you'll not only sharpen your language skills, but also contribute to your personal and professional growth. So keep exploring, keep practicing, and keep striving to become a confident and fluent English speaker. The world of artificial organs and medical technology awaits, and with dedication and determination, you can navigate it with ease and proficiency.